So I have two items here. One is the OLED display and the other one is the ESP32-CAM module. This is the ESP32-CAM module. Here is the port for SD card. Okay. So here I will show how to insert the camera into the ESP32-CAM module. Guys, I am much sorry that I am not able to make videos now on every week, but I will keep you updated with any one video. So please stay tuned on my channel. So our ESP32-CAM is ready with the camera setup. This is the camera and this is the port for SD card. Okay, we can connect it to Wi-Fi. So here inbuilt antenna is there. So this is our 0.96 inch 128x64 OLED display module with 6 pins. The editing of the video of interfacing OLED display with Arduino Uno is going on. I will soon provide it in my channel, so stay tuned.